Good morning, everybody. This year, I ended up buying a Cyclone pool line blower, which will blow the water out of the lines. I've never had one before. I've always used an air compressor, which is kind of cumbersome, but I think the Cyclone is going to be a lot better. However, having said that, in order to prepare for that, I need to modify my pool pump cover. So I went out and bought an extra pool pump cover, as you can see here, okay? And what I have for this video, you'll need a compatible pool pump cover, which you can check out in another video, okay? You're gonna need a hole saw. I think this is 2.5 inches. I'm not really sure. It doesn't really say on it. Yeah, 2.5 inch hole saw. That's 6.4 millimeters. And you're gonna need a through the pool wall adapter for an above ground pool. And what we are going to do is, if you can envision this, okay, we're going to take this off the bottom of it, remove one washer. We are going to drill right down through here, making a hole through the cover. This is polycarbonate and not glass. Then we're going to fit this in the hole. We're going to seal it from underneath so the gaskets make it airtight. All right, that's where we're heading with it. Then I'm going to use this pool hose adapter is going to thread in here, and I'm going to seal that with some vinyl adhesive caulk, so it's not going to want to move unless I really wrench it. All right, so that's where we're headed. I have like a lower speed drill. All right, that's as fast as it goes. That's as fast as it goes. We're going to drill that hole with tender loving care. And if I did it here, what would happen is this is just going to spin around in a circle. So I'm going to go over to my pool pump, take the original cover off. I'm going to put this cover on it. That'll lock this in place, and then we're going to start drilling nice and slow through here until we get all the way through it, and then we'll come back and we'll start the process with this other stuff that we have. So hang on for a second. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off these valves over here so water will not drain back into the pool, because we're still going to need to run this pump a little later today to start draining it. But for right now, I'm going to shut those valves off, take that cover off, replace the cover, put the new cover on, and start drilling it. That was much easier than I thought it would be. Very, very happy with that. So let's hop over back near the table and put this together and make things happen. Let's take this off. Beautiful. That is a beautiful cut. I honestly could not be more happy with the way that came out. That was so much faster than I thought it was going to be. And you can tell the thickness of that. I'm going to say that's probably, I'm not really sure, a quarter of an inch. But it cut really, really well. And by locking it in there, this didn't spin around when the drill was cutting. So now we're going to undo this, like I said. I'm probably not going to use this until either later today, once the silicone dries, the vinyl adhesive, I should say. And now that's going to fit down there nicely. Look how nice that fits. Right, and this is exactly what you're going to have to do if you want to use a cyclone blower and you have a pump. Okay. Right, so I am going to put a gasket on the underside here, which I probably don't need now, and then we're going to thread this up against there. Now that's just this is exactly what I've been dreaming of. Well, I don't know if I've been dreaming of it, but this is exactly what I wanted to put together this year for my winterization. So I'm going to apply some vinyl adhesive liberally to the threads on this, and then I'm just going to screw it in. I've been making a lot of pool care videos this year, and I've had a few sponsorships, and I've done a bunch of promo videos for products. So if you have something that you need promoted on my channel, feel free to contact me. You'll know how to do it. Now that's plenty of vinyl adhesive. I think we'll put a little more here. But I think once we thread that in, that's really going to smush into everything. If you like that word smush, I guess that works here. Right here we go. This is just going to thread this in here now. There we are. And that's it. Now those threads are definitely coated. I've got no doubt about it. I'm going to grab something. I'm just going to wipe this clean, and we'll move about our business. Voila! I'm back with a little wet napkin. I'm just going to rub this around here, clean this up a little bit, so it doesn't look so sloppy. And that will also get that vinyl adhesive nice and smooth down in that opening. There we go. I say to myself, that looks pretty nice, if I must say so. I just give it a wipe with the dry side now, clean it up. I'm gonna call it a day on that. That's it. So that's how you modify your pool cover to adapt to a cyclone blower. And I'll list everything that you need, but I really couldn't be happier with the way this came out, the cut and everything. Stay tuned for more.